So yun po, I'm very proud of what we've put out. I'm very proud of our album, Being Ice. It took years to not just create the songs, but to build enough courage to release songs. At least for me, no? So parang, ang tagal ko hinintay nito. So I hope that it also gives you the same joy that it gives me and the people I love when they listen to the album. So, lalabas na po on October, on August 8. On October, on August 8, sa lahat po ng mga music platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, and we are slowly building my YouTube. I'm very old school, guys. Pasensya na po kayo. Opo. So, ngayon pa lang po namin talaga sinisimulan yung mga pa-YouTube na yan. But I finally have my own channel. It's, Aisegera Official. Aisegera Official. That's where we will put out basically everything about me. At the same time, you can follow me on my socials. Papa gets. So I have TikTok, Ice the Person. I'm on IG, Aisegera. On Facebook as well. I'm on Facebook more often because nandun yung mga matatanda. So nandun po ako. Di ba? Puro matatanda yan sa Facebook. That's why I'm there. At the same time, yun po, I'm really excited, of course, then to invite all of you to please watch Being Ice, the live experience. It's a 2-day concert, 2 different shows. So, it's a party, but at the same time, the next day, it's a sharing. It's a community. And siguro yun, I really just wanna see all of you there. And yun po, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Direk Ice. Palakpakan natin.